Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a nearby petrol station on the FuelCheck application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the My Trip button down below, which is the second option. Then tap on this ethanol button at the top to select your fuel type. First of all, as you can see, the second one is the default option, but you can change it to any of these fuel types by tapping on the relevant one and clicking on the Apply button at the top. After that, you should select your departure point and then your destination, and here you will be able to find the available petrol stations nearby or near you. You can also set the price range on this slide, and basically that's it. If you tap on it, you can see the address and the opening hours too, so here you can check it out, and the prices are also indicated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.